Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you click on Windows Update and you're finding Enroll Now option for the ESU updates, but it is not showing you here. So how to fix this? I've got the fix for this, so let's get started. In order to fix this, go over to your settings and click on system and then check if you're using the latest version of your Windows 10. This is important that you have the latest version of your Windows 10. If not, then this method won't work. Now in the search menu, type regedit and open registry editor. Once you open registry editor, you have to type this code: H key current user software Microsoft Windows NT current version Windows. Make sure you type the same as it is. The capital letters, small letters, all the slashes and the space in between and the underscores, everything should be same. Just copy this and then click on view and click on address bar. This will give you an address bar here. Just type the code I gave you and paste it here. Once you do this, it will open this folder. Here you have to click on Windows, right click it. Now you have to copy this consumer ESU. Just go over to Windows, right click it, click on new and then click on key. Once you do this, it will create a new folder. Just paste the name consumer ESU on the newly created folder and now right click on the empty box here, click new and then click on Dual 32-bit value. Once you do this, it will make a file. You just have to name it ESU eligibility and hit enter. Once you do this, then double click on it and place the value here 2 and click OK. Repeat the same process, make the Dual 32-bit value again and then just apply the name ESU eligibility result. Once you do this, double click on it, open this and type the value 1 here. Once you do this, click OK and restart your PC and then check the Enroll Now button if appears or not. Hopefully your problem is solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.